This is my water heater. It has about 60 gallons, it's a tall one. On the top, you see the pipes. It's all copper pipes. You see strange shapes. This is because you don't want the hot water to flow slowly into the pipes when you're not using any water, because you could heat up your cold water that goes to the toilet. It's not something that you want. You would waste your money. So you do pipes like that. They are called heat traps. Waters flow up and it does not go back down because it's hot. Hot water go up. If you want to change the water heater, you select one with the same distance between the two dielectric joints. This one is raised by about 1.5 inch. If you buy a smaller one, you can add cement blocks under the water heater to bring it up. If you want to put a 40-gallon water heater, and since you have space, you could bring it up like 10 inch, so that if you want to go back to 60 gallon, you will not have to play around with the pipes. When you install the water heater, the first thing to do is to cut the electricity, because the elements must be in water. So you cut the electricity, you cut the water, and then you drain it. If you drain it before you have cut the electricity, you will waste your heating elements. When you install the new water heater, it must also be filled up before you put the electricity. If you don't, you will burn your elements. And these products are under warranty, but people know if the top element is burned that it's because you have turned on the electricity before having it full, so it might not be under warranty. It might not be covered. It didn't install it well.